Today I'm doing this video from a very fairly relaxed position. The song is called Boya. Now this song was very well implemented. It was very well done. The instrumentation is on point, but much more importantly is the message in the song. The person in the song is a woman, and this woman is saying that she's married to a guy, but the man is not so rich, he's not doing very well. So people are inciting her to to end that marriage so that she can find somebody else. But she is adamant that that is not going to happen because of how far they have gone. They even have children. But she still acknowledges that there are a number of things, a number of unmet expectations, but she's looking at the bigger picture of who the husband is and what it is that they have achieved together. So she just starts by lamenting, "Oh mama, oh mama." And then she says, "Base kinga mingi na bato," that I have really been laughed at by people. And they tell me, "Boya." So koboya is to refuse. So Boya means refuse or drop him, or look for somebody else, stop loving this person. Then of course she continues lamenting, "Oh mama, oh mama." Batuninga mingi na bato. People have really been asking me, "Mobali ninyo zana, what kind of man is that you have? What kind of a husband is that you are married to?" Mosalate, he does not have a job. Ndakote, he does not have a house. Kitite, he does not even have chairs. Falangate, he does not even have money. So falanga is a corruption of francs, and that is the money that is used in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Yeah, so she still says the same thing. Okangi motema, oh mama, you have really persevered. Bampasi nyoso okomona, all this pain, all this suffering that you are going through. Liputa moko okolata, osukoli mosusu mpe okozela ekauka. You have washed the other one, you are waiting for it to dry, so you only have two. You keep on, when you've washed one, the other one you are wearing. When you're wearing one, you've washed the other one. Oh. Bato bako seka, people are laughing. Bato bako loba, people will talk. They say, Boya ye, refuse him, stop loving him. Boya ye. Bato bako finger, people will actually abuse me. Bato bako tongo, people will discuss and talk about me, you know, in bad light. They're telling me, Kimaye, which means run away from him. Kimaye. So run away from him, leave him. Liputa nyoso epasuki o mwana panzu nanga. All my clothes are torn. Are you my husband from Panzo? Kimbundi nyoso enzuluki na nzoto anga na meseni mama. My clothes have faded, but you know what? I am used to it. Bampasi nyoso na komono eloko na lingi mobali. All this suffering that I'm going through is because I really love my husband. Bakotongo bakoloba na lembate o panzu o mwana panzu nanga. Let them talk. I am not getting tired of you, the child from Panzo. Angana lembi azali tataya banananga. I am tired. That man is the father of my children. Angana lembi azali molonga nenanga. I am tired. You know, he is my spouse. Liputa nyoso epasuki o mwana panzu nanga. All my clothes are torn. My man from Panzo. Kimbundi nyoso ezuluki na nzoto anga na meseni. My clothes have all faded, you know, but it is something that I'm used to. Bampasi nyoso na komona eloko na lingi mobali nanga. I am going through all this pain because I love my husband. Bakotongo bakoloba na lembete o mwana panzu nanga. Those that want to talk about me, those that want to talk about us, you know, they will let them talk. I am not tiring. Angana lembi azali tata bananga. I am tired. This man you're talking about is actually the father to my children, the father of my children. Angana lembi azali molongani nanga. I am tired because that man is my spouse. Then of course the song gets into 7, but as always I skip so that I give you the lyrics. Liputa nyoso e pasuki o mwana panzo nanga. My clothes are all torn. You, my man from Panzo, my husband from Panzo. Kimbundi nyoso enzuluki na nzoto ngana meseni. My clothes have faded. Virtually everything that I have has faded, but I am not tiring. Bampasi nyoso nako muna eloko na lingi mobali nanga. And all this suffering, all this pain that I'm going through is because I really, really love my husband. Bakotongo bakoloba na limbiti. You know, I am not tiring. If they want to say, let them say. Let them talk, let them do everything they want to say, but I am not getting tired. Angana lembi azali tata bananga. I'm tired. You know, that man is the father to my children. Angana lembi azali molonga nanga. I am tired because that man that you're talking about so much is actually my spouse. The song ends with the statement liputa nyoso epasuki. My clothes are all torn, but that is not to tire me from loving you. So that's actually the end of that song, Boya, which means reject or refuse him. If you're watching this channel for the first time, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, leave a comment, share, and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Mwalimu Chris Care.